Good to see you back, content creators. In today's video, we'll explore the world of anonymous YouTube channels and look at some practical tips for succeeding in this niche. Please don't skip the video in which I discuss some incredible free programs that enable you to create restricted free copyright-free videos for your anonymous YouTube channel. If you're going to found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. These suggestions will provide you the direction you require, regardless of whether you're just getting started or hoping to enhance your current channel. Valuable tips to help you thrive in this unique niche. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your existing channel, these tips will provide you with the guidance you need. Let's get started. Please don't skip the video. In this video, I tell you about some amazing free softwares which help you to make a copyright-free video for your faceless cash cow YouTube channel. Define your channel's concept. Before diving into creating content, take some time to define your channel's concept. Consider what sets you apart from other faceless channels and identify your target audience. Are you focusing on comedy skits, educational content, product reviews, or something entirely different? Having a clear concept will help you stay focused and attract the right viewers. For making of best script chat, GPT help you to create. Just write your topic in search bar of ChatGPT and simply copy-paste the content in Microsoft Word. Then go towards the next step. Master high-quality audio. If you don't speak English, then no worries, Getty.com help you to make a perfect voice for your script, which is totally free for first 50 videos. The video which you are watching is also made by Getty.com. Of course, the link is shared in description as well. Again, you just copy-paste the script, which produces by ChatGPT, and save in your Microsoft Word document. Just drag into your selected voice of Getty.com. Since your viewers can't rely on facial expressions or body language, high-quality audio becomes even more critical. If you are using your own voice, then invest in a good microphone and experiment with soundproofing techniques to ensure your voice comes through loud and clear. Remember, clear audio enhances the overall viewer experience and keeps them engaged with your content. Master high-quality video. Somehow the video is most major part of Faceless YouTube channel. Here are some tips and resources to help you create faceless stock images videos for your YouTube channel. The current video or all videos of my channel is produced by these softwares, the voice over which you create in Getty.com. Just download it and drag it into these softwares to create your AI-generated copyright-free videos. Find reliable stock image websites. There are several websites where you can find high-quality stock data to use in your videos. Some popular ones include InVideo, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, Unsplash, Pexels. Of course, the links is shared in description as well. Create engaging transitions. To make your video visually appealing, experiment with creative transitions between stock images. Software like Adobe After Effects or HitFilm Express can help you add dynamic and professional transitions to your videos. Add text and graphics. Use video editing software to overlay text and graphics on your stock images. This can include titles, captions, callouts, and logos. Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro X offer built-in tools for adding text and graphics. Incorporate background music. Background music can greatly enhance the mood and impact of your videos. Websites like Epidemic Sound, epidemicsound.com, and artlist.io offer a wide selection of royalty-free music tracks suitable for various genres and themes. The links are shared in description. Engage with your audience. Building a strong connection with your audience is crucial for any YouTuber. Encourage viewer engagement by asking questions, responding to comments, and incorporating viewer suggestions into your content. Host live Q&A sessions or create dedicated videos that address frequently asked questions. This interaction will foster a sense of community and loyalty among your viewers. And there you have it, fellow creators. With these tips and resources, you're now equipped to create captivating faceless stock images videos for your YouTube channel. Remember, the power of storytelling, engaging transitions, and relevant visuals will be your guiding elements on this creative journey. Don't forget to explore the vast array of stock image websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Getty Images, Unsplash, and Pexels to find diverse and relevant images that bring your ideas to life. Use image editing software such as Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, or Pixlr to customize and enhance your stock images, giving them a unique touch. Once you have your collection of stunning visuals, make use of video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro X, or DaVinci Resolve to craft your videos with seamless transitions, overlay text and graphics, and bring it all together with captivating background music from platforms like Epidemic Sound or Artlist. Consider adding a professional voice over narration using a high-quality microphone and recording software such as Audacity or Adobe Audition to truly immerse your viewers in the story you're sharing. Lastly, remember to maintain consistent branding throughout your videos, reinforcing your channel's identity with colors, fonts, and logos that resonate with your audience. Now it's time to unleash your creativity, tell your stories, and captivate the world with your faceless stock images videos. Remember, success comes from dedication, originality, and providing value to your viewers. So go out there, create amazing content, and let your channel shine. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy creating! Good luck and earn profits!